of sports girl. Then in 7th I got a batch of discipline girl. Then my most favorite game is two games, kabaddi and volleyball.
Student life is sweet and bright. We learn to read, we learn to write. We make friends, play with joy, every girl and every boy. Hi, dear friends. This is the first DIPS podcast. This is your friend Monica Mehta, and today we are in DIPS Mehatpur. Thanks to the principal of the institution, Mrs. Vani Sehgal, today we are broadcasting this podcast. A beautiful girl, a confident girl is with me, Tajinder Kaur, who is studying in class 10th. Welcome in the podcast, Tajinder. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
I'm absolutely fine, dear. And first of all, we would like to know about your journey. You are in class 10. Earlier, you were in pre-nursery, then nursery, then KG, then prep. Now you are in class 10th. Tell me about your journey.
My journey is so beautiful, ma'am. I learned so much from this school. This school is really like a model for me, and I'm from starting here, and now I'm 10th, and I really like this school and my lovely principal ma'am also. And I always the topper of my class, and
Wow.
now I got opportunity in 10th class and also 9th class to be captain, vice captain, now discipline in charge also. In 6th class I got a batch of sports girl. Then in 7th I got a batch of discipline girl. Then 8th also discipline girl. And in 9th vice captain, and now I got 3 batches: monitor, discipline and captain of Pearl House. I'm really proud of myself and on my school. I really like to be in this DIPS Mehatpur.
Wow, such a small girl and such a confident girl she is. I can see the batches, discipline in charge, Pearl House captain and monitor. Do you know the duties of a head girl or a vice captain or captain? What are the duties you are obeying, playing, functioning in the school?
Yes, I participate in all games, in all sports, in all science model exhibitions, and all things in dance also, in singing also. And it's really good for us because it makes us thought about our parents also, who play a very important role in our life. Like we have to do something important in our lives to be a play model of our parents also. And I really like to be participating in all games, all types. And as a head girl we have to maintain discipline. This is a really big duty for us. And as a discipline in charge, it compulsory to make discipline, to tell students and to guide them how to means how to do this or how to explain this type of, or in English, in Hindi too. And as a vice captain and captain, it's a duty for us to guide our house towards good things and right way.
That's so good. And I'm so amazed the way she is expressing her thoughts. It's really commendable, daughter. Okay, tell me one thing. As you were talking about your games, one thing which you were talking about regarding games, which is your favorite game? I would like to know. And what are the norms to play that game?
My most favorite game is two games, kabaddi and volleyball. And now recently our tournament also go, and we take second place.
Wow.
And in relay race also we got third place as a DIPS Mehatpur school. And as a in school also our sports Raghuveer sir taught us how to play, and they also play a very important role in our school. And it's if we participate in games, it make us healthy and make us one day player also. So we have to participate in all games, in all participation things, activities. That's not about only one thing.
Wow. Tajinder has told a wonderful thing that not only games but in co-curricular activities like debate, declamation, storytelling, stage handling and in academics also, you have to play your vital role to be in limelight. Okay, Tajinder, tell me one thing.
Yes.
Do you think that games are important for our life? As I have seen in Mahatpur, in inter-dips competition also, Mahatpur has done a wonderful job. So, do you think that games are important and what actually they are teaching us?
That's very important for us. It tells us how to play in future. Like some student wants to become a player in future, and their role model is like Milkha Singh. And we have to play Mary Kom, like a boxing queen,
Yeah.
she's calling, and we have to play more and more games because school teaches how to be in a discipline, how to proud our teachers, our parents, because that's the thing we are studying in the school. Does not mean, yes, we can gossips, we can talk, but when we have a free period, when we have sports game, we have to participate in every game. Even you are introvert, you have to participate. You have to talk to with your parents, with your friends, with your teachers, even with your principal. If you feel any shyness or even you don't have lack of confidence, you can ask captains, ask PT sir, ask us. We will guide you towards sports games, for towards participation in other activities like science exhibition, SST exhibition, and English debates, all things. And we recently took second place in Kho at the Dips Mathpur School, third
Good.
place in relay, and at the volleyball we also took places. So we guide our juniors that you also be like us, not in talkative things, in healthy games, in sports games like we do. You also achieve trophies like we us.
So, like this coaster, life is a circle. Without academics, you cannot complete this circle. So, tell me, what was your grade in class 9th?
First position, then again first, then for 1 marks I got a second position, and my grandmother is so proud of me that from starting I got positions first, and I have lots of trophies of Dips Mathpur, even medals I
Oh my
have.
God.
I can show you too. I have lots of.
This girl is a power bundle, I must say. Okay, Tejinder, tell me one thing. When we are talking about studies, academics, is study means just to complete your syllabi, or it is beyond that, beyond books,
It's not-
beyond your syllabus booklet?
No, it's not about only syllabus or books. It teaches how to become a person your parents wants, your teachers want. They want to you to see a successful woman or man as their child. They don't know that you are talkative things or you do that things. They want you on a right way. Study does not mean only completing books, completing notebooks. It means you are studying yourself, you are studying for your parents, for your teachers. They are teaching you because they want to, because they want you successful in your life. You can be yourself. That not means if you got if you are average student, it's okay, you can do better, you can do it. And that's not mean topper only can do. Average student, even backbenchers can do, not only for toppers. So study is so important. If we do education, if we do things like studying or in-house too, does not mean don't help our parents. That's also the part of our life. But as we are students, we have to focus on our study because now our boards are coming, and
Yeah.
I have that I will be 100 out of 100. I will got.
You will get. I know.
I will get.
Okay, we have talked about games, we have talked about your ideology, about academics and everything. Now let's talk about your dadi. How is she?
She's well. She's sometimes get ill, but we will take care of her.